Hello friends, welcome back to the Chima Dedicated Video channel. This is a quick guide on our ongoing Google Classroom and Google Tools Masterclass for online teaching and virtual classroom. So what I want to teach here in this short video is how to explore Google Classroom as a student. If you're a teacher, you have just launched a virtual classroom using Google Classroom, then you need to ask yourself how you have created this class, or at the side of your students, how would they explore this class? It's very important, because if you don't know how to do it, you won't be able to teach them. And if you don't know how to explore the class, they can be admitted in your class, but they don't know the next thing to do so that they'll be able to, go through the class, understand where to check for assignment and all that. Very important. So that's why I'm going to guide you on this. If you look at this interface, there are so many classes here. And in all these classes here, in some of them I'm a teacher, in some of them I'm a student. Now, anyone you see, like here you see 1 student, 3 students, you see they are writing number of students, it could be 0 students, I'm the teacher there. Now, but anyone you see they write the name of a teacher, it means that I'm just a student in that class. And someone might be wondering, why are you a student in a class? Yes. Anytime I do training for anyone on Google Classroom, I will also ask you to add me as one of your students. So that's one of the ways to promote and be there for you so that what we're doing can move on. So let me click on this particular class. It's an English class. So I've clicked on this as a student. I've joined this class. My teacher has invited me. So I want to explore. The first thing I'm going to see is all these streams. The stream, that's the first page. There are 3 major pages here. So this stream, everything going on in this class will always appear in the stream. But it happens if my teacher put up on the setting, she made it in a way whereby I can see the stream, anything happening will be appearing on the stream. If she decides to lock that place, nothing will be happening here. You understand? But there's no need to lock up that place. Even you as a teacher, don't lock up that place. Let every stream, so that even when students join later, they can still go through right from the first day what has been done looking at the stream page. So that's it. And so another thing I discover here, so as it stands now, say if I have joined new here, I can click on any of this material. Look at here, you can see there are materials here. These new materials that was posted on this day. I can also access this. I can access it. So if I imagine I want to click on that first new material, so okay, let me see what the chat did here. I'm not able to see. The topic is English mistakes. It's a kind of a material for learning. It's not an assignment. So it said, the teacher said, click on the third video link to access the lesson. That's what my teacher said. So I'm able now to see what the teacher has given me. So once I click on this, it's like on a video. I watch the video, then I've learned what she wants me to learn. Probably the next thing will be a class assessment to test me whether I've really learned it. So that's it. And at this moment, my teacher also opened up the comment section, meaning that I can make comments. So in this case, I may finish watching this video and maybe I don't understand fully, or there's a question I want to ask. I may click on this place now and ask my teacher a question. From her own end, she will understand that something has happened. So you need to know exactly how your students can see this. If it's an assignment, my teacher will also give instruction, okay, watch this video or do this assignment or click on this link to go and do the assignment and everything. That is exactly how it was. So let me go back. Now the next thing is classwork. Remember what I've just seen here is the one that appeared on the stream. But most times, if you have a large class that has been there for some time, it may not be everything you see on the face of that stream. Where you see everything that has done in the class, the scheme of work, the assessment page, the materials dropping for learning, the assignment and all that, is on classwork, this second page. So anytime I click on this classwork, I'll be able to see. So as I start in this particular class, what my teacher, from this classwork, I see the only thing she has done is through week 1. Maybe she drew her scheme of work based on weeks. Week 1 lessons, week 2 lessons and all that. So in week 1, she only dropped 2 topics here. So from here, I can easily see it. So if I want to explore and access this topic, I will click on each of them to see. Remember, one of them is what I checked that English mistakes. It will take me there. So in fact, that's the easiest way to explore. Why always look at the stream? There could be a new announcement, because stream page always carry the announcement. You will not see announcement on the classwork page. Classwork is all about the assignment, the learning materials, whatever that is being pushed there, like the scheme of work setting and all that. That's what you see on classwork. So I'll be able to know what my students will be expecting. Then I go to people here, the people page. Here I'll be able to see the name of my teacher. And also, if there are co-students here, I would have seen all their names here. Why you are not seeing any student here? Because that means, apart from myself, there's no other student in this class. So I'm the only student in the class of the teacher. So if there are other students, I could have seen all their names. If there are 100, they will all roll out. I will see all their names one after the other. So at this point, I've been able to explore a bit of this class. So these are at least the basics of what your students. Actually, this class is not that much. You see, we couldn't do, there's no much here done here. If it's a class that has so much done, you see, maybe assessment page, there's assignment giving, I'll be able to, but like I said, go to classwork. That child goes to classwork. Everything about assessment, assignment, classwork, learning material dropped, everything will be there. You go to the people's page, you'll be able to see your classmates as well as the name of your teacher. And if it says a class that will have many teachers, you know, the main teacher and co-teachers, you're going to see all the teachers in that class. You know them by their name because they are going to put their names there. That's their names bearing in their Gmail that appears there. Do you understand? This is exactly the simplest way your students should apply. So if you're also like a student learning using the Google Classroom, you need to understand that this is the way you can easily explore, understand what is happening. Everything the teacher is going to teach will be based on scheme of work. Sometimes these schemes might be or weeks like my teacher did here, or it could be on modules. Module 1, you see all the lessons under Module 1, Module 2. Why it's so done that way? It will help you to go through things and understand, so that, okay, Module 1, I've not done it. You go through the entire module. You know, these classes are built in a way that even if in the next 10 years, you can still admit students in the same class, and they will still see the work being done is there. You don't need to repeat yourself. At any time any student joins, he or she will still be able to explore everything right from the beginning, because the work is well set up. And that's exactly how it is. Please, I'm going to encourage you, if you're watching the video from anywhere in the world and you're an educator, especially an African teacher, an educator, I will encourage you. If you don't know much about Google Tools for Virtual Classroom online teaching, please contact me and join our course, our Google course on this. It's very important. You're going to benefit from it. You're going to say, wow, this is something that's good here. You can do better than what you are currently doing. And if you're a school owner, please, you need Google Tools for education in your school. Expose your teachers to it. You can save costs. You can make learning, so interesting for today's digital, learners by integrating Google Tools. And these things are free tools. It's very important. If you want us to train your teachers, can contact us, whether online. If you are far away from us, you can have an online training and they're going to learn. If you are close to us, we stay in Port Harcourt, Nigeria, you can visit your school and have retraining for your teachers. If you are new to this channel, we encourage you to support us to grow. We'll do a lot of this place. Please subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up, and do much more than that by sharing the video in every group where you belong online. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching.